Looking to redesign your terrace with natural stones? Welcome to the world of terrace design, where natural stones are the stars of the show. With their durability, versatility, and timeless beauty, they can redefine your outdoor space. Stay tuned to understand how you can transform your terrace using natural stones. What is a natural stone, you might wonder? Natural stones are Earth's raw gems, lauded for their unique beauty and robustness. They come in a variety, including granite, marble, and limestone, perfect for crafting a stunning, enduring terrace. With the right natural stone, you can create a terrace that is both beautiful and durable. Before we start laying stones, we need a plan. It's crucial to consider the terrace's size, its location, and how you envision using it. Will it be for dining, lounging, or perhaps both? A good plan will ensure your terrace meets your needs and enhances your outdoor space. Now let's talk about design and laying patterns. The beauty of natural stone terraces lies in their versatility. From intricate herringbone patterns to simple straight-lay designs, your choice can dramatically influence your terrace's ambiance. Choosing the right design and laying pattern can truly make your terrace stand out. Once you have a design in mind, it's time to select and procure your materials. Consider factors like color, texture, durability, and cost when choosing natural stones for your terrace. You can procure these from local suppliers or online platforms. With the right materials, your terrace will not only look good but also last for years. Now comes the exciting part: installation and laying of the stones. Begin by preparing the surface. It needs to be clean, flat, and dry. Next, arrange your stones in the chosen pattern. This is your opportunity to get creative. Once you're happy with the layout, it's time to secure each stone, one at a time, using a special adhesive. Remember, patience is your best friend here. And finally, fill in the gaps with grout. With careful installation, your natural stone terrace will be ready in no time. So, are you ready to transform your terrace with natural stones? Remember, understanding the stone, planning your design, selecting the right materials, and ensuring a proper installation are key. The result? A stunning, durable natural stone terrace. With careful planning, the right materials, and proper installation, you can create a stunning natural stone terrace that you'll enjoy for years to come.